Hello, this is Charles Fishing Adventure. Today I'm at Buff Creek catching some tiger prawns and banana prawns. There's a lot of them here. As you can see, there's a king tiger prawn there, some banana prawns, and I'm loving it. Today's catch, it's a lot of prawns today, just about 10-15 throws of cast net, and these are banana prawn. There's one tiger prawn there, so it's really good. If I had been doing it for a while, I would have like a bucket, half a bucket probably. That's great. I'm going to use this for tomorrow's fishing trip, and let's see if I can catch a jiwi. These are the mullets for tomorrow. Hopefully I can catch a bera or jiwi, whatever. So I got some fresh bait for tomorrow fishing.